this paint out here in the sun. Looks amazing. Alright, we're going on a quick test drive here. Now the flickering you see here in camera, that is just in camera, that is not in person. Steering's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Shifts nice and smooth. Alignment feels perfect. Hitting on the brakes kind of hard. They're solid, no vibrations in the wheel when you apply the brakes. Really nice. No complaints with the drivability. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And I did not see any PPF on this vehicle. Here on this wheel, just kind of scan through looking for curb rash. Day code on the tires is 2024. The wheels look really nice. Not seeing any flaws that stand out. Here on the fender, that looks good. Side mirror, a couple little rock impacts. A-pillar, what I can see up there looks great. Paint is gorgeous on this car. Gloss black rocker here. You're gonna see little swirls from just everyday washing, but it's in great condition. Quarter panel looks good. Lot to these wheels, so really kind of scanning through, having to look at all the different spokes, but starting with that outer edge, I don't see any rash, just kind of sitting here in the middle. Nothing standing out to me. Getting down in that barrel, look how clean it is. Beautiful spec. Headlights look amazing. Just gonna scan through this as close as I can. Little marking here, one little rock chip right there. Little speck, a couple tiny rock impacts, little chip there. Upper section looks good. That middle looks nice. I do see another rock chip right there. You're gonna have little rock impacts here and there on this front end. So far it's very minimal though. Get down low here looking for any rash. Here on this fender, looks good. There is some rash on this wheel. You can see it has been touched up. Looks like it's just on that section there. Everything else looks good. So when looking at it as a whole, it's just one of these areas. And that is an easy fix if you wanted that to be actually smoother. You can see it was just kind of touched up, but they can sand those down and make them look better. A little scuff from getting out here on the gloss black, but it's super subtle. Quarter panel looks good. Scanning this wheel. Not seeing any rash. Back bumper looks good. Taillights are awesome looking. Deck lid looks good. That taillight's clean. This thing is beautiful. All right, checking out the interior. That door panel looks amazing. Ambient lighting looks good. I don't see any other flaws there. A couple scuffs from getting in and out. That's still wrapped in plastic. Looking at that bolster, beautiful. Same here, nice and clean. Got the Alcantara on the edges here. That looks cool. Here on the steering wheel, that looks nice. Sides look good. Still has that matte finish to it. Looks really, really good. Here on the back seats, a really light scuff right there. Otherwise, looks awesome. All right, looking at that panel, looks really nice. A couple light scuffs from getting out. That bolster looks good. A little bit of wrinkling here from just kind of everyday wear and sitting. The rest of that looks good though. Kind of a dry carbon look. Dash looks nice. All right, scanning through the engine bay, looks nice and clean. Looks really good, all stock. All right, looking at the top here, looks amazing. Got the tempered glass. It looks tinted. I mean, you have some really light markings here, probably from how it folds, because you're also going to see like a little line there. Otherwise, looks perfect.